In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of Claude and artificial intelligence to instantly build a complete content cluster within your WordPress site. Organizing your blog into topic clusters is one of the most effective ways to boost your search engine authority because it shows Google that you are an expert on a specific subject. Usually, mapping out these clusters and creating the pages manually takes hours of planning and clicking through your dashboard. However, you can automate this entire process using a single, clever prompt. To get started, you will need to open Claude and have your WordPress site ready. You are going to use a specific prompt that turns the AI into a professional SEO strategist. The prompt tells Claude to analyze your main topic and generate one central pillar article along with 4 tightly related subtopics. But the real magic happens in the execution. Instead of just giving you a list of titles, the prompt instructs Claude to actually generate these 5 pages directly into your WordPress backend as empty drafts. This saves you the tedious work of creating each page one by one. Furthermore, the prompt tells the AI to include a hidden editorial note inside every draft. This note outlines the exact internal linking strategy you need to follow, explaining how each subtopic should link back to the main pillar to maximize SEO value. All you have to do is replace the bracketed text in the prompt with your actual main topic and hit enter. Within seconds, your WordPress dashboard will be populated with a perfectly organized content structure ready for you to fill in. This method ensures your site architecture is professional and optimized from the very beginning without any guesswork.